Wet Outfield current. Hello, namaste, anadab. Welcome back to my channel, Santosh Vlogs. Today we are going to play our first home match here in Mannheim, and you know what? A home match is an extra duty. An away match we can just drive and play and come back, but home match we have to prepare our pitch. So our guys are already there. I also had work till now, but just now came for the short video.
Take it to that end. That end. That end.
New kits distribution today. Captain Manoj. Azman. Yashas. Thank you. Adnan.
Look nice. With your name.
Well, Ahmed.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. So guys, today we are going to play our first home match against Ulm. It rained a bit in the morning, and also expected to rain today during the day. So the pitch is prepared, everything is ready. We lost the toss, and we'll be bowling first.
Spinner. Abe sal. Oh, shot. Get the ball over there. Shot, boy. Shot, boy. Shot, boy. Oh, batting. Shot, boy, shot. Ooh, no feet movement. Ooh. You're not getting injured, it seems. Same length. Shot. Side. If your line is coming up, that's only thing. Control the weight. Ooh, shot, boy. What boy!
What a shot! He's running every time running.
It comes like bullet. That's needs a different thing. Run. Running at all. Shot. Chakka. Chuck.
And he was leaving good balls. Snakes, no one has started up.
Wow, batting.
8 runs, 11 balls.
Balls or no?
It has good grip था है ना.
Oh.
भाई यार संजय भाई एक तो थ्रो डाउन करा दो.
Shot. Oi, no.
No, it won't.
बढ़िया यार विनाश.
Six.
जिसने विकेट नहीं लिया था फर्स्ट
ये
वो जो मेरे नाले वो थक जाता है रन भागते
No,
भागते
that's fine.
he will be
No,
tired.
ready for that.
Yeah.
Six
शॉट है
at all. In that.
but ये
Das ist nicht Rennen.
you see this is this
That's a, no.
Ja, wir müssen
Wow.
rennen.
Ui.
एक सेकंड हर्षा यू गो.
he will bowl
He
total
will bowl. See, he is a wicket taker. Okay.
making this
Much risk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
gone
Ui.
बहुत बहुत नॉर्मल बॉलर्स हैं
Now wicket खेल रहा.
ठीक है अगर आप अपनी फॉर्म में
We are doing this.
That I don't know.
Which is like a heavy bowler.
Don't tell like that. First we have to play.
Yeah.
पीटने के
Good
बाद
one.
if you सोच लिया कि मारना है then मारना है you think that stop the
That's what happens. We'll take all the some 6 wickets then.
players और क्या है
Fielder extra.
Nice shot. Yes.
Wait for the ball.
This is Raidu.
आपका कहाँ है
Good one. Good.
अपना बॉलिंग अच्छा चल रहा है ओवर्स कितने हुए
हर मैच पे बॉलिंग अच्छा चला. No, he was not feeling well.
हाँ
Shot.
Nice.
स्ट्रॉबेरी
No ball, right? Shot, boy. Run.
बॉली
बढ़िया यार बढ़िया.
Yeah, now one guy came here. Ooh, pace.
then come back touch the bat on the ground
Yeah, he like this. Deal करके देना भाई. Oh, shot, boy. Ayo. Oh, shot.
अरे फोर
No.
Wait, it's okay. Sir.
Genuine fellow.
Wait.
so that he will not try ना अरे
कर दिए. वाह.
नो बॉल
Shot.
boy
Cheating.
Doch, nein, das.
Oh.
Aber Dani, Ready? Yes. Yeah, but okay. Last one.
You started now?
Raining.
No,
raining, right? Camera. But no.
Catch Ale, super.
But no.
Catch Ale, super.
Nochmal. Einschreiben. Please. Out. Nein. Kann ich jetzt Ball haben? 1 Uhr.
Guter Shot. बढ़िया
Zweite bin ich! Raus! Ja!
Out.
Mit meinem Schuss. Ready? Ja. Au! Nein! Ready? Ja. Egal. Weg. Hier ist du da. Hier ist. Okay.
That's the ball.
I'm ready. Nein. Da vorne ist der Recht. Nein, das war nicht. Du hast schon nichts. Du hast schon nichts.
Thing it will do.
Are you?
This is not something.
I'm ready.
Can you play?
Was denn? Hallo, mein Kamera! Was? Nein, please!
Nein.
Mann, das sind wir nicht.
They are leaving.
I got a.
Stop.
Ready?
So guys, we're halfway through. SSV Ulm has made around 139 in about 39 overs. So the next half is need to go on. Let's see, wait.
Green?
5 seconds.
Then we'll get the updates. Na?
Yeah, correct. अभी तक 4 डाला है मैंने.
शायद वो आपने इसमें डाले थे लिंक.
अपने ग्रुप में डाला था
हाँ
मैंने.
ओके.
What does it say? There's a 3 at the back.
4 के ऑलरेडी.
4 किया था मैंने.
Short है.
Unfortunately, we had a rain after 3.1 overs, and the rain has stopped now, but the pitch looks too wet and also the outfield. Well, the sun is out, but yeah. Some random checks going on how the ball is reacting to the field after the rain. Yeah, pretty wet outfield currently after the rain. So inspection after another half an hour. So some more time to wait.
Then all good.
Poured a lot, and we couldn't continue the match. Wet outfield. It was drizzling, it was sunny, but the outfield was quite wet, not playable. So we had to abandon the match. Please like and share my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. So let's end the video here.